Ang sarap.
Back shoulder area.
Oh! 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 Oh!
So we're gonna put your feet together. Jolene, your left leg is short.
Yes, no.
Half an inch.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that better.
That's the times I'm using insoles.
Oh.
But my back pain.
Yeah. So this is
A lot of times.
this is rotated here, causing your leg to be shorter.
Yeah.
Put your hands right here, please. Okay, I'm gonna get your upper back shoulder area.
Oh! I love it. I got stiffness, doc. A lot of times.
Is it better now? Yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
getting better.
Yeah, let's do this.
Oh! I love it. Ah.
Excellent.
Maluwag.
Excellent. All right, lay on your side facing me, please.
Okay.
Lay on your shoulder now. Good. Stop. Knee here. Good. We're gonna get your legs even. This leg was short, half an inch short.
Okay. Ah! I love it.
Good.
Perfect.
Yeah. Good.
Love
On your back, face up for me, please. On your back. Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Let's get your back. Scoot down a little bit.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh! Nice one, Doc. I love it.
All
That's
right.
sarap.
Good. One more side.
Nakakaluwag.
One more side.
One more. Ah.
There you go. Good.
I love it.
Excellent. Stay right there. Let's check your neck. Check your neck. Relax your hands right there.
Oh! Ay ko. Sakit. Ang sarap. Ang luwag sa pakiramdam.
Excellent. Excellent. Good.
Oh! Ay, thank you, Doc. Ay, sarap.
Better?
Ang sarap talaga.
Less
Better.
stiffness?
Better talaga.
Okay.
Kasi lagi talaga siya nagsistiff. From my lower back going up. Kaya I always have, migraine, Doc.
Yeah.
Kaya buti na lang talaga nag-message ka. Kasi I badly need this,
Expect your migraines to be better.
Yeah,
Expect
I love it.
this side now, please.
Okay.
One more side. We have good results with migraines.
Ah.
Let's help your lower back here.
Oh! Oh! Ay ko. Sakit. Thank you.
Good.
Good.
All right.
So many cracks.
Yes. Okay.
I love it.
So let's go face down. Let's see if your legs are even.
Okay. So many cracks, Doc.
A lot of cracks. Yeah. Okay. Now your legs are what they call pantay na in the
Pantay.
Philippines.
Pantay na.
Pantay na. Yeah, your legs are even. Excellent. Good.
I'm so thankful kay Doc Kim na nag-message na magkakaroon ako ng session ngayon for Chiro. And lately kasi, for these past weeks actually, nakaka-feel ako ng sobrang stiffness and lalo na from my lower back going up. And ang yung tightness na yun, nagkukause siya ng migraine sa akin. So, super nagsastruggle ko when going to trainings, during trainings, kasi andun ko na nafe-feel na nare-restrict na yung galaw ko. And kaya thankful ako na natuloy yung Chiro ko ngayon. And sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam, nakakagaan. And nag-loosen talaga yung muscles ko and yung buto-buto ko. And I'm feeling brand new and ready na ulit ako makipagsabak para sa Pilipinas. Shout out. Thank you so much.